in our solar system. There are 8 planets orbiting the Sun. The largest of them is Jupiter, the 5th planet from the Sun. Its closest. Jupiter is about 628 million kilometers, 390 million miles from Earth. At its farthest, that distance stretches to around 968 million kilometers, 601 million miles. Jupiter has an impressive diameter of about 139,820 kilometers, 86,881 miles, making its volume 1,321 times that of Earth, and its mass 318 times greater. Even though Jupiter is enormous, its density is relatively low, only 1.33 grams per cubic centimeter, because it's primarily made of hydrogen and helium. This makes it a classic example of a gas giant. Jupiter's atmosphere is extremely thick, composed of about 89% hydrogen and 10% helium, with trace amounts of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. One of the most striking features of its atmosphere is the bands of light and dark clouds, driven by powerful jet streams with winds exceeding 500 kilometers per hour, over 310 miles per hour. Among these atmospheric patterns, the most famous is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. This storm is so large, about 16,000 kilometers or 9,940 miles across, that it could easily swallow Earth. Though NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has observed it slowly shrinking, it remains one of the solar system's most spectacular weather phenomena. Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface. Scientists believe the planet's interior is layered with an outer atmosphere of hydrogen and helium clouds, beneath which hydrogen turns into liquid metallic hydrogen under extreme pressure. This metallic hydrogen conducts electricity and generates Jupiter's powerful magnetic field. Deep inside, there may be a core of rock, metal, and ice, possibly 10 to 20 times the mass of Earth, though we can't yet confirm its exact structure due to the immense internal pressure. Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field in the solar system, about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, creating an enormous magnetosphere that can extend out toward Saturn's orbit. This magnetic field traps high-energy charged particles, resulting in radiation levels 1,000 times greater than Earth's Van Allen radiation belts. In this environment, human exposure would be lethal in just a few minutes. In addition to its massive size and powerful magnetic field, Jupiter has a vast satellite system, with 95 confirmed moons to date. The 4 largest, known as the Galilean moons, are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system, its surface covered in constantly erupting lava. Europa is covered by a thick shell of ice. Beneath that ice, scientists believe there may be a liquid ocean, making it one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury, and the only known moon with its own magnetic field. Callisto's cratered surface is among the oldest in the solar system, providing valuable clues about its early history. Jupiter also has its own ring system, though it's faint compared to Saturn's bright rings. Jupiter's rings are made mostly of dust and small rock particles, likely created when micrometeoroids collided with its moons, unlike Saturn's icy rings, since Pioneer 10 first flew by Jupiter in 1973. Humans have launched several missions to explore this giant planet. The Galileo spacecraft orbited Jupiter, starting in 1995, providing long-term data. NASA's Juno probe, in orbit since 2016, continues to send back valuable insights about Jupiter's atmosphere, structure, and magnetic field. Looking ahead, NASA's Europa Clipper mission, set to launch soon, will explore Europa's subsurface ocean in search of potential signs of life. China is also preparing its own Jupiter exploration mission,